Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alfred, I'm very happy this day. I can make some video knowledge for our. This is the title of video is Transportation Engineering Management. This is very interesting. Some video I make Scopus video to way we now about Scopus. We can find a new previous journal and we can find the best optional for our that this day we can take some knowledge about the transportation engineering management. How is the engineering management? This engineering management is some people we take some knowledge about the engineering. What does it take minimize delay in a public transportation system, and how can our improve traffic flow and reduce traffic jams? But also, how can you design a city in such a way that is encourage cycling behavior and reduce the use of car? And can you come up with a system that keep all areas with the public transport connection, that the public transport connection is easily accessible? And then mobility transportation are an important part, this is a very important part of our everyday life. And in today's so we can create it come through a lot of the challenges. This is one material for my material. There are different types of system by category on the basis of openness. One is open system. The system management of transportation, where outsiders can influence it, close its system. I'm sure this system, we know the open system, and every day we can outsider can the influence like some people interest for, and our people now about this transportation, and we also use this transportation every day. Every one we can do that, and the basis component, the physical system, which components of major energy, that's the non-physical system or concepts containing for the ideas. What is the solution? We have one concept in the smart city. We can influence factor in choosing a mode of transportation can be divided in three factors. One, the namely is characteristics of traveler, including vehicle selection, income, and social level. This is where we can have a characteristic of traveler. The travel some ones have a one's purpose to make your work, our work, or maybe some we can take some brother sister in one place. The second travel characteristic is including destination, time, and distance, and characteristics of transportation facility. This facility is very important. We must have something place that we can wait some transportation, or maybe wait some online transportation. This is very comfortable for our. We have the situation very interesting for our. And the four, quantitatively. Yes, this is a quantitatively includes waiting time required to assess all the modes of transportation and trafficability of the parking space. And the solution order that we must have a parking space in the long parking space, that is my comfortable is we have a car or maybe have some transportation like a motorcycle, because the long space in parking we can take some car or motorcycle in very comfortable. And the five is qualitative includes comfort, yes. And we know about the security of the transportation. Maybe it can include in this car or maybe include this transportation. What apply transportation management? We can examples of action apply in managing transportation system. One is improve the efficiency of road space use. If the road have a space, long space use, this is make efficiency for the transportation, and the purpose of the transportation is have a comfortable for using transportation and improve the efficiency of road. And second, we can reduce the use of private vehicle in the crowded area. This is not good if have a crowded area. We can reduce some vehicle, but if we have traffic jam is very maximum, we can reduce this private of vehicle in area is crowded area. We can take some comfortable for the using transportation, and we must improve public transportation service, and we must improve the efficiency of public transportation management. This is very important. We can managing the transportation is very quickly and very comfortable for using the apply transportation management is very have a new situation and very comfortable to use the transportation. Accessibility and mobility. Accessibility, we can given to everyone with the aim or seeing equal opportunity is all aspects of life. There is two kinds of accessibility. One namely is the physical and non-physical accessibility. What is the physical? Physical ability is relating to building infrastructure environment, such as building. We can have a building infrastructure and development about sustainable transportation, that like the intelligence of transportation. And this day we can share about the intelligent transportation. I think you can try for this material. And second, non-physical accessibility related the social environment. Yes, this is the social of the accessibility, the human, etc., such as the ethic interaction, development of information technology. The fulfillment of accessibility is specified of all commons goal, with the aim of creating equitable service for all levels of society. That the fulfill of accessibility. This is make a very basic right of all our communities. That is a bold aiming the bold which aim of creating that this is equitable for the all level society. I think this is very important for we must know about the accessibility of human doing. And we have our topic, it's same topic on the management of transportation, the transportation system platform. This is a land transportation sector. We can know on this one of the management of transportation is new capital city of Indonesia. Transportation system development plan in land transportation sector. This is have an intelligent transportation system in national capital in Indonesia development and needs for this application. I hope you can interest for this topic. This policy direction and scope, transportation system at the capital city, and intelligent transportation system, and policy framework and action plan. What the policy direction? What the policy direction and scope? Yes. Once is the direction and policy. The presidential. This is Insinyur Joko Widodo, the President of Indonesia. He directive some directive some new communication. There is the new capital city as the identity of the Indonesian nation, and the president hoped the new capital city as identity of Indonesian nation. Hence, the second, the new capital city on national Indonesia is become a smart city, becoming a green city, and becoming a sustainable city. What is the purpose of the smart city? There is integrating cities that the information and communication technology is as governments to improve public service and welfare of citizens. Now about the first information in the national new capital city. And then what is the purpose of smart city? The purpose of smart city is green city, designed which consider impact value, and the becoming a sustainable city. There are cities that apply the concept sustainable and environmental for the friendly in the new capital in Indonesia. The directive of the Minister of Communication said the transportation between mode and use, travel time is less than 20 minutes from the airport express online. The water flight speed with a maximum speed in 30 km per house, and now energy population source with electricity, and control management with intelligent transportation system. The outline and transportation in IKN, we can know the transit-oriented development or TOD, the constellation of the new capital city area which constantly cause movement from and to the central government core area. This name is KIPP, Central Government Core Area, in order to meet the needs of population movement in the IKN area. We have some area of new capital city is KIPP, KIKN, and KBIKN. The TOD, transit-oriented development concept, needs to be considered. What is TOD concept? Determining in identity of region around the intermodal transport point. That is pedestrian network for profit as to intermodal transport point, and transit shuttle, the work parts big parking occasion of intermodal integration area by transit, provide vehicle parking location, planning the area around intermodal transport point well and effectively and central office, commercial, public facilities, and public space. And the public space, we can find the green open space. This is very healthy for our. We can get some comfortable and healthy life, and this is very we can like some people when some place we can not find in our environment. What is the mode, mode of the transportation to be used and in capital city, the area core area? Once is we can uh, find or we can introduce about the autonomous minibus and the government city, the area government city, and we can find the BRT direct service in the citizens corridors, and we can find the autonomous BRT in the national corridors, and we have LRT and MRT in the corridor of country. It is especially for we can have a bicycle super highway Copenhagen in one area, and the bicycle is not found in the other tracking, and the purpose of motor transportation is to the condition for network and passenger demand level. What is the mass transit system? We can now the mass transit system serve the city's main corridors, while the new non-motorized mode of transit and encourage the generally short first last mile journeys and between stop in maximals and for hundreds meter. We can know this is we can find airport train, metro, MRT, LRT, intercity bus, autonomous minibus, local bicycle, bus autonomous and autonomous vehicle, etc. This is a service plan and KIPP. We can have BRT direct service, BRT autonomous BRT, and absolute speed limiting. And we use the transportation river and flag and crossing transportation. We can like a crossing transport provide alternative trips to from KIPP and KSN, IKN, and Balikpapan, reducing what loss become the alternative store for tourist destination. This is a transportation and the destination for the origins. We can have a new, or maybe this is the probably this is some method so we can know the intelligent transportation system, that information and communication technology, the system employed to fill land transportation including infrastructure, vehicles and users, and its traffic management and mobility by management. What is the typology? This is a divide in three forms: person-based system, and vehicle-based system, and public transportation system. Okay, this is a material we can share for you, and I will be sharing about the video of the transportation system, intelligent management transportation system. We can view this video.
The world is growing fast, with the human population expected to reach roughly 9.7 billion by 2050. Transportation professionals face an ever-increasing challenge to keep people and goods moving safely and efficiently. Urban developers and city operators are beginning to add intelligence to our existing infrastructure using different sensors that provide real-time information about pedestrians and motorists. And now, municipalities are turning to LiDAR, the next big step in sensor technology. LiDAR sensors capture a precise 3D representation of the world. With this precision, LiDAR will help build a smarter, more connected infrastructure to ease congestion, reduce accidents, and improve safety and quality of life for all citizens. Legacy detection methods, including cameras and radars, are unable to provide highly accurate depth information around the clock with the kind of fidelity required by traffic management teams for reliable ITS deployments. Cameras provide great resolution for feature extraction, but perform poorly in low light and adverse weather conditions. Radars perform well in adverse weather, but don't have the resolution needed to classify objects, and cannot discern pedestrians from bicyclists or vehicles, especially at longer distances. LiDAR bridges that gap. It is the only true deterministic sensor that precisely identifies and locates objects in three-dimensional space by measuring the time of flight of millions of laser pulses transmitted every second. These highly accurate measurements can then be used to classify objects and provide precise location, velocity, and trajectory of all road users. Using LiDAR, municipalities can rely on higher quality information in both the near range and at distances greater than 200 meters in all lighting and weather conditions. LiDAR complements cameras and radars, extending the sensing capabilities of all ITS applications to ensure better, more accurate information is used to drive decisions. With LiDAR, cities can cut down on vehicle idling times to reduce emissions, deploy emergency assistance vehicles quicker, prioritize the safety of pedestrians and cyclists at intersections, and automate tolling. Ultimately, cities will give valuable time back to their citizens, and finally improve intelligent transportation systems using LiDAR to pave the way for a safer and more efficient future.
Yes, okay, fam. This is a video we can share with you. I hope you can increase our knowledge for transportation system, and will be meet in other video. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for your feeling happy today. Don't forget to happy. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.